Let's be real. By 2026, the tech job market is going to look, well, completely different. We're talking AI agents writing code, cloud costs being scrutinized like never before, and whole teams being redesigned around automation. But here's the wild part. Demand for tech skills isn't actually falling. It's going up. This is your playbook for what's coming next.
So this is the big question, right? The one on everyone's mind. What are tech jobs actually going to look like in just a few short years? Well, that's what we're going to do in this explainer. We're going to break it all down with some real data and give you a clear forecast.
Okay, so here's the core idea you need to wrap your head around. It's a paradox. On one hand, yeah, some of those more repetitive, traditional entry-level roles are definitely shrinking. But on the other hand, the demand for people who can work with AI, data, the cloud, and security is absolutely exploding. It's a total reshuffling of the deck.
So to really get a handle on this paradox, we've got to look at the major forces stirring the pot. Let's dive into the big picture trends that are creating this brand new reality. First things first, don't panic. The overall market is still growing. I mean, check this out. The World Economic Forum is projecting a staggering 170 million new jobs this decade, and a huge slice of that pie is in technology-intensive roles. The opportunity is still immense. It's just, well, it's changing shape. And this right here shows you exactly where that change is headed. Demand for AI and big data skills is set to jump by a massive 87%. Cybersecurity isn't far behind at 70%. We're not talking about a small trend here. This is a seismic shift in what companies are desperate to find.
Okay, but this slide, this is where it gets really crazy. We're talking about sheer urgency. Right now, for every single qualified AI pro out there, there are count them, three open jobs just waiting to be filled. This isn't just a skills gap, it's a canyon. If you have these skills, you are in an unbelievably powerful position.
And this quote, man, this really gets to the heart of the whole thing. It's not about replacing people. It's about a value shift. AI is getting really good at the repetitive, mechanical stuff, which in turn makes the people, the humans, who can design, supervise, and strategically plug these AI systems into a business, well, it makes them more valuable than ever before.
All right, so we've seen the big picture, the forces at play. Now let's get down to brass tacks. Let's talk about the actual jobs. Where is the real, tangible growth actually happening?
So here it is, the great reshuffle, all on one slide. On one side, you've got these older, repetitive roles. They're not just disappearing, they're transforming. And on the other side, an absolute explosion in demand for specialists. We're talking AI engineers, cloud security experts, and product managers who actually get AI. This is the new high-demand frontier.
Let's double-click on that first one, because the AI and data cluster, that's the engine driving almost everything right now. Why? Because most companies are way past asking if they should use AI. Now they're frantically asking, how? How do we actually do this? How do we use it safely and make it work for us? And that requires a whole ecosystem of talent, from engineers to product managers.
Okay, next up, the second huge cluster, cybersecurity. As everything gets more digital, more complex, more AI-driven, the number of ways things can go wrong just skyrockets. Look, security isn't just some IT checklist item anymore. It's a non-negotiable, board-level priority, and that's creating massive demand for anyone who can protect these complex new systems.
And then, of course, there's the cloud. But the big trend here is really maturity. Companies went all in on the cloud, and now they're getting the bill. They've learned that uncontrolled growth means uncontrolled costs. So by 2026, the real demand will be for experts who can manage complexity, reliability, and especially cost. This has created this whole new field called FinOps, which is basically financial operations for the cloud.
Okay, so we've laid out the problem, we've seen the huge opportunities. Now for the good part. Let's talk solutions. How do you actually build a strategic advantage for yourself in this new market? What do you actually need to learn to get ahead?
This right here is probably the biggest mindset shift you need to make. You have to stop thinking about a job title. The most valuable people in 2026 won't have just one title. They'll have a skill stack. Think of it like a portfolio of interconnected skills that lets them solve really complex problems, not just, fill a slot on an org chart.
And this is the model for it. It's called the T-shaped professional. Think about the letter T. The vertical part, that's your deep specialization in one high-demand area, like data engineering or cybersecurity. The horizontal part, that's your broad foundational knowledge across the rest of the tech landscape. Things like Git, APIs, and basic cloud concepts. It's that combination that makes you both powerful and adaptable.
Now, look at how this actually breaks down in practice. Your deep specialization is your core, obviously, and it's supported by that foundational tech knowledge. But check out the other two slices, because this is key. AI and data literacy? Totally non-negotiable now. And this last one, human skills? It's a massive piece of the puzzle because it's the one thing that's really, really hard to automate.
And I can't stress this enough. As AI takes over the more routine stuff, your uniquely human skills, they become your superpower. Think about it. An AI can spit out code, sure, but can it properly frame a business problem from scratch? Can it tell a compelling story with data that convinces a CEO to change direction? Can it navigate tricky office politics? No way. Your value moves up the chain to strategy, communication, and critical thinking.
Okay, that's enough theory. Let's get super practical. It's time to build a real, concrete, step-by-step roadmap to get you ready for 2026.
It's actually a pretty simple 3-step plan. Anyone can follow this. Step 1, nail down your foundations. Get rock solid with programming, SQL, and Git. Step 2, pick one of those high-growth areas we talked about, AI, cloud, cyber, or product, and just go deep. Become the expert. And step 3, and this is for everyone, no matter what your specialty is, you have to integrate AI skills. Learn to use AI assistants as your co-pilot. Understand how to call an LLM API. This is the new baseline. Which brings us to probably the most powerful mindset shift of all. You got to get away from thinking, oh no, AI is going to replace me, and start thinking AI is my power-up. The people who master AI as a tool to make them faster, smarter, and more creative, they're the ones who will thrive. They're the ones who will replace the people who ignore it. It's not AI replacing humans, it's AI-empowered humans replacing those who aren't.
So, just to recap, let's lock in these final mental models for success. First, stop chasing job titles. Start building your skill stack. And second, stop thinking of your degree or your certification as a one-and-done thing. You have to embrace continuous, lifelong upskilling. It's not just a buzzword anymore, it's your survival strategy.
Look, the 2026 market is going to be tougher, for sure. It's going to be more demanding. But it's also going to be way more rewarding for the people who are ready for it. So, the playbook is right here. The path forward is pretty clear. The only real question left is, what are you going to build?